two terms engifuna-ke ukuthi uwabambe kulesi story engizoxoxela sona namhlanje. Uma kuwukuthi you are not Xhosa, elokuqala ikrwala. Ikrwala umfana obheka entabeni. As you know ukuthi Xhosas pride themselves entweni yokubheka entabeni. Bathi sabantwana babasentabeni mawusobuya laphaya, ubuya sowuyindoda cause they claim ukuthi kunezimfundiso ezifundayo kepha. And then i-term yesibili is called ingcibi. Ingcibi is that traditional doctor who undergoes training, who is a well-respected member of the family because this person, number one, he's trusted by the families elalini. Number two, he's supposed to have undergone training ukuthi akwazi ukugcina imfihlo, akwazi ukukhuluma nabantwana. Kahle kahle is like a motivator, is like a doctor at the same time because uye futhi ohamba enquma amajwabu abafana. Guys, iyanginyisa iflu. But-ke izindaba zona ngeke ngiziyeke ngoba ziyangena. I'm even eating a whole so that my throat can keep on being nourished while I'm talking. So yeah, it's a story time. Let's get on with it.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. Oh, yayiva ke ngoku injalo nje. It's a story time. Remember that the stories that we are giving to you is the story about the experiences you and I that has been gone through in this life thing. My experiences, your experiences, we share them. You can DM me your story time. Kanti-ke ezinye ozozizwa in the near future is the stories of just about entertainment because whoa, asikwazi phela ukuhlala singabi entertained sana. This life siyagowa. So kumele sihlale sixoxe indaba ezizothi yabo zithu kithi kancane ingqondo sikhohlwe usizi. So as usual ngiyacela ukuthi uma uzobuka awulike before uzubuke nje. Just like before uzubuke amehlo ami ayakhala because ngine-flu vele ngumuntu osayinitic and everything. Yeah. Please comment, like, subscribe, share, and you can join our channel memberships. You can also gift us with super thanks if you believe what we are giving to you is of value. And please, guys, ngiyacela ukuthi must-comment on the comment section down below. Be respectful. And sikhumbule ukuthi sonke sabantu and what we are doing out of love. So I don't owe you anything. So you don't need ukuthi bekuhlaza. If uyagxeka, gxeka ngokwakhayo, gxeka ngenhlonipho, khuluma ungicabangela ukuthi ngumuntu ngiyaphila. Even on the other side of this life thing that we are doing, the podcast, ama-guest wami ngicela nahloniphe guys, ngiyacela ningawathuki. Ngicela ningawathuki. Asakheni nje i-community healthy ephilile. That is why I called my community the Life Graduates because abantu laba asebendlulile ezimeni empilweni, well, all of us, we've been through something empilweni. So you are a life graduate, I'm a life graduate. So let us behave like professional life graduates, right? It's a story time. Izanale mina ngizozanalo ngoba uyazikhipha indaba. Lena ke ibuya kwi-DM ithi sisizandile, my life is a mess. It's not funny. It's very serious, and yeah, shame. It's quite sad. So 2 words ebengikutshela ukuthi ngicela uwabambe kule ndaba. There is ingcibi, there is ikrwala. Ikrwala umfana obheka entabeni ohambayo initiator ngokwesiko lakaXhosa. Well, leli siko akusilo lakaXhosa kuphela, namaZulu ayalenza. It's just that amaZulu Nkosi yami is slowly fading away. Empumalanga liyenziwa futhi as well by I think namavenda, yes, namavenda ayalenza. So ikrwala ke ngesixhosa, I'm using the Xhosa version of this because the guy that wrote to me is a Xhosa. Ikrwala leli elathathwa at the age of 2021. Apparently umayeshe ekhaya kubo bekumiwe kahle, ifamily nje ebeyi-right, ebeyimi kahle, ngashoti next. So they planned ukuthi bazomusa entabeni when he turns 21. At the time ebeseqedile esikoleni, and at the time ebesenzile unyaka wesingakhi, engathi besiphakathi nase university sisanda kuqala. So he was 21, or uthi besewuqedile unyaka wokuqala esezoqala unyaka wesibili the following year. So ekhaya kuwamusa entabeni ngoJune during i-university closure. Okay, so uthi ahambe kubhutiza abheke entabeni, makabheke entabeni hayi kube kuhle. So those who are from Eastern Cape know ukuthi ukubheka entabeni komntana, it's a big deal. There are rules akhona laphaya alandelayo. Number 1, umuntu wesifazane akalubeki unyawo entabeni. Number 2, kukhona lo muntu abambiza ngengcibi. Ingcibi is a doctor, is somebody who is supposed to be trained or respected in the community, owaziyo everything eyenzeka entabeni, who he doesn't necessarily look after the boys, but uyena onquma amajwabu abafana laphaya, utrained ukwenza lo msebenzi. So uyazi ukuthi makubleed, makuneyinkinga, makunjani benze njani. They supposed to use traditional herbs only mabe laphaya entabeni. Okay, fine. Nangokubhutiza sivaliwe iy'kole, bamthatha ekhaya bambhekise entabeni. Ngani? Ngoba kufanele ebe yindoda, hhayi yindoda, ya fanele abe yindoda ubhutiza. Well, ahambe kubhuti abheke entabeni. Uma ebheke entabeni kwenziwe kamalungiselelo-ke as usual. So there are rules. Wesifazane akaya entabeni, ingcibi kuphela esondele eduze kwabafana nalaba abahlala nabo babagade. And then ukudla okudliwa entabeni, hey, I'm taking out Xhosa secrets. Well, I used to have ngangine-interest enkulu yokwenza i-research on this area at the time, but because of i-rule le ngiye ngayisho ukuthi abantu besifazane abasondeli nokusondela entabeni, I could not do that research. That was my area of interest nje. Yeah. So ukudla abakudlayo akumele kube nosawoti, ngoba kuthiwa usawoti uvusa imizwa and wenza igazi ligijime. Kwenzelwani? Kwenzela ukuthi ungaqhanyelwa. Kwenzelani futhi? Kwenzela ukuthi uma sebekunquma ungophi kakhulu, because bathi usawoti awulungile egazini. So nje badla nje ukudla okudala oku-saltless. Nomama le emakhaya mebebaphekela, they know ukuthi baphuza amahewu, hanjisa ukudla okungenasawoti, abaludla ubisi. Yabona lo kudla lokho oku-rich abakunika, banikwa nje vele kuphekwa umngqushu o-plain nenyama ibiliswe, bakudla kunjalo because it's part of the culture. Fine. Uthi ubhutiza-ke sisandile ngihambe ngibheke entabeni-ke nami kulungiselelwe ekhaya. Mama uthathe i-leave emsebenzini, ngibheke entabeni and everything is gonna be nice and good. So universities mangabe kuvalwe iy'kole, bavala about 3 to 4 weeks. So sonke leso sikhathi wayezoba sharp nje ukuthi hhayi uzobuya-ke abe sharp, bamkhiphe kwenziwe yonke leya mgidi yakhona nayo yonke leya jazz eyenziwayo-ke mangabe umntana kade ebheke entabeni. On a usual kuye kuthiwe umntana makuhambe kahle konke leya nto iyaphola. In 2 weeks isuke isipholile makuhambe kahle. Makubhedile-ke siye sibone endabeni-ke sebegijinyiswa-ke sebeyofakwa ey'bhedlela beshushumbiswa. Now khumbula ukuthi once kwenzeka ukuthi wena wagcina sowuyopholela esibhedlela, you are not a man. They will despise you, bazokuquza, bazokubukela phansi, bazokuhlonta. Ukuhlonta-ke ngesixhosa ukugcona, mhlampe ngesiZulu bayakugcona, ukwedelela, ukubekela phansi, ukunyatsa, something like that. Yeah. Uthi ngihambe-ke nami sisandile ngibheke entabeni. Uma ngibheke entabeni day 1 singene kwenziwe into zakhona engeke ngakutshela zonke ukuthi izini, sikhulume nathi, explain yonke into. So okuwukuthi-ke they are preparing you for yonke la process. So lifike kusuku lokuthi basikwe-ke, hhayi basikwe ukuthi yena ukhumbula kahle usuwaba wokugcina ukuthi asikwe. Uthi akakhumbuli ukuthi mhla bemsika ijwabu kwenzakalani. Uyakhumbula ukuthi ingcibi ezazikhona on that particular day, ingcibi-ke ayihambi yodwa, kuye kube khona abantu aba-around abayilekelelayo. Uyasika yena and then bayeza laba nama-herbs, babhandishe itotolozi leyo, benze yonke la nto leya ukuthi umntana aphole, yabo, and what not. Abanye-ke phela kuthiwa kuyenzeka-ke mhlampe abamagwala noma makubuhlungu kakhulu-ke mhlampe uquleke and things like that-ke. And ijwabu lakho kuyingozi ukuthi ungalazi ukuthi liphelele. That's number 1, ibambe leyo. Ijwabu lakho it's either ulifaka njengalo street, hlafuna uliginye, or Uma kuwukuthi ingcibi ekhaya kini niyithembile, izohamba nalo mhlampe iyoligqiba esibayeni or whatever, kodwa ijwabu lakho alilahlwa lapha entabeni. Kumele makube ukuthi lisendaweni la ulaziyo khona ukuthi liphi. Rara liyophuma ngezinqa ulifake la, or ingcibi leyo uma ukuthi niyithembe ngempela kini, ithenjiwe kini, ingalithatha ifike ilimukisele ubaba wakho. So uthi umfana-ke wahamba-ke naye waya entabeni, uma afika entabeni, lafika usuku lokuthi anqunywe inkampu ijwabu. Kodwa uthi the day esikwa akukazange ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngoba uyakhumbula befika labo baba bewu-2 and the third one wamsika lo wokuqala ijwabu. Okwesibili, ngoba phela ngithi lento ibuhlungu and yenziwa live. Uthi ngangingabhekile ngisho ukubheka, ngibheke esayidini ngoba phela ngibambe wasika. Uthi okwesibili akazange ukuthi kwenzakalani. All that he knows ukuthi waphaphama esibhedlela. Makaphaphama esibhedlela sebeyamchazela ukuthi no, ulimele. Makathi uyazibheka, well fine, ubhandishiwe and everything, ulimele ngempela. Okay. Hhayi-ke ahlale esibhedlela. Obviously, he'll never be a man, he'll always be despised by ontanga bakhe. Angeke ahlale ebuhlanti adle inyama namanye amadoda cause imehlulile leya process yasentabeni. Okay, uthi-ke sisandile-ke, from there, uma ngiqeda ukuphola lapho, immediately ekhaya nje bavele bangibalekisa bangiphindisa esikoleni. Ngavele ngaba mncane ekhaya from that time moving onwards, cause uthi ngendlela abakwenza ufile ngakhona, uvele you feel less of a human being the way they treat you, because now kusho ukuthi wena uyinto eyahluleka entabeni, awuyindoda yalutho and waphelela esibhedlela, walapheka esibhedlela. Kanti kufanele ungene uphume wenziwe lwa mgidi lo mkhulukazi, uthengelwe iy'mpahla ezintsha, ugqunywe ngeblankethi, kukulilizelwe kowena ukuthi ubuyile entabeni. So it's rare cases that happens whereby you go there and awuphumi ngendlela right. It's where impilo yakho, it's between a matter of life and death. Uthi sisandile, ithi ngikubalisele-ke, ngiyakubona-ke ukuthi angiphumanga entabeni ngendlela e-right njengabanye abafana. Inkinga yami ila, I cannot have a relationship because of ukubheka kwami entabeni. Inkinga ngingakwazi nje ukuba ne-relationship, itotolozi yami mzukwane incibi eyayinquma eyayingisika that particular day, mina ngangingazi ukuthi lo muntu lo une-vendetta nabantu basekhaya. Well, not yena, but isihlobo sakhe. Ayikho, let me tell you guys ukuthi abekho abantu abakwazi ukubamba igqubu njengamaXhosa. Sorry Xhosas, but akekho. Well, I was married to that family. I know what I'm talking about. I was married to a Xhosa guy, by the way. Abekho abantu abakwazi ukubamba igqubu nenzondo njengamaXhosa. AmaXhosa will hold igrudge nempi yango 1900 just because ubanibani wala ekhaya walwa nozibanibani iyoqhubeka iminyaka. So kwaba yi-situation esikanjalo ukuthi ingcibi leya was related to somebody owathathela utata walo mfana umfazi. So uma walo mfana kusho ukuthi wayebangwa nalowo muntu owayeyisihlobo, kusho ukuthi nje kwakubangwa ama-girlfriend in a way. Ekukhuleni kwagcina-ke kusho ukuthi uma walo mfana wagcina eqome ubaba walo mfana. Hence lo wayesalwa loyo mpi ukuthi yabo, uyayizwa ukuthi impi engasile kanjani eseyiphumela emntaneni. Kodwa-ke neBhayibheli liyasho ukuthi izono zabazali zibuyele ebantwaneni. Okay, fine. Kwenzakalani na? Lo yafika ingcibi, senior ngcibi, asimbize nge-senior ngcibi, lo kuyena owayejampula amajampu ngempela. Wamnquma umfana. Kwathi mebeqeda ukumnquma besabheka ukuthi umfana kufanele athathe ijwabu lakhe abone ukuthi kwenzani ngalo, ukuthi uligcina kanjani. Le ngcibi le eyesibili eyayi-assistant nekuyiyona eyayinento negqubu nefamily yomfana, kanti inoplani yokuthi mabaqeda nje kuzothi kusaphithizela besabheka ukuthi lo usabamba ini, ukuthi yavele yeza nelokhunjana nenye imele yajampu ipipi. Uthi nje sisandile kwasala nje isijumpana into engaka. Ngafika-ke esibhedlela-ke kwabuza ukuthi uphise omunye ushonephi. Wabo omunye uphisi ungatholakali mangabe esezwa-ke sebemchazele esevukile ukuthi hhayi sizamele ukufuna uphisi ukuze siphinde silixhume ipipi sibone ukuthi ngeke lihlanganiseke yini. Kwacaca ukuthi omunye uphisi awazeki ukuthi uphelelaphi emveni kokuba ulimalile ngoba kwase kunegazi all over. Abantu bebetatazela, they were trying to save your life. So the only thing that could have been done at that point in time was ukuthi kusindiswe i-life yakho rather than ukuthi kufune uphisi wepipi ongaziyo ukuthi ushonephi. Out of frustration and embarrassment, abazali bomfana-ke bamthatha umfana bamhambisa. Inkinga ila, akakwazi kuqonywa. He cannot date a woman cause ipipi ayikho, iyafana nengekuthi nje sisandile kwasala nje isijumpana into engangelunga lomunwe. As a result, ngike ngazama ukujola recently. Ngithe uma ngijola, ngajola nalo sisi for months and months, umuntu ngiyamkhipha senza yonke into. I'm just trying to buy her heart man, ukuthi awume up to yabo, to me as a human being rather than what we'll do at the bedroom. Indaba yonakala-ke mase ngimkhiphile ngoba naye bese nama-complaints ukuthi hawu kanti angikwazi la uhlala khona nani nani. Yonakala masifika ekamerweni uthi ngathi ngiyakhumbula nje wababaza usisi wabantu wathwala izandla ekhanda wathi iphi ucinga ukuba ndizawutsha ntoni iphi akwazi iphi wayishonisaphi ikhangela lapha wayitshonisa khona cause ndiyayifuna ukuthi baba uyamkhalimisha down ukuthi hayi bo Ima ngikuchazele mhlampe we can be able ukuthi sisebenzise ama-toys nani kwenze kuwa but ngiyakuthanda kwenze ku-1 no-2 no-3 ukuthi hayi intombazane ngobusuku ya-request yamshiya kanjalo. Uthi njengamanje is in his middle 30s, akakwazi ukujola, akakwazi ukwenza lutho and uthi ubone kwi-podcast lapho besikhuluma khona ngabantu abangama-intersex, besikhuluma khona ngabantu abama-gays and lesbians. Uthi leyo education leyo uyayibonga kakhulu ngoba imsizile, iyabuyisa i-confidence yakhe ukuthi maybe he can just try this gay thing because at the end of the day, what else can he do with his life mangabe sekunje ipipi ayikho and amantombazane afuna ipipi. So yibo ubunzima-ke lo bahlangabezana nabo and lento into angakwazi ukuyikhuluma to anyone nasekhaya kubo ayikhulunywa. Well-ke emaXhoseni-ke into yasentabeni ayikhulunywa. Uma ngabe uhambile waphuma uye uyikrwala wabuya wangagqibezeli ekutheni uyaphuthula uba indoda uyaphuma ngomcimbi nani awulalelwa ngisho ukulalelwa akekho oyikhulumayo into yakho wena uhlulekile iphelela lapho nje. Uthi indaba yazwakala kudala sekukade kwenzeka ukuthi hayi wena wamoshwa umsizi wencibi owayekhona at that time because ekukhuleni kwabazali benu babebanga isihlobo sakhe sasibanga notatakho intombi kanti intombi izogcina iwinwe utatakho iyaqoma utatakho. Ingxaki ilapho-ke, that is the grudge wena wabhadalela izono zabantu abakho. Uthi it's only now noma wakhe esakwazi uku-open up ayikhulume lonto manje because yena usezilaphile wahamba waya koma-counselling and is trying to move on with impilo kodwa ekhaya kubo useyimvela kancane akagodugoduki because yazi amaXhosa they pride themselves ezintweni zamasiko nezithethe. Uma ngabe kunemicimbi ngoDisemba nani imishado yini akakwazi ukuhlala nabantu besilisa bayamcwasa because awuyona indoda wangena entabeni wahluleka. Bakubuza kahle amaXhosa ukuthi sayitshana eyakho uba uzohlala lapha ebuhlanti kanye namanye amadoda ufuna ukubamba imela usika inyama sayitshana eyakho. Mangabe bethi sayitshana eyakho basuke bebuza ukuthi-ke why entabeni waphuma mawuphuma wahlatshelwa ini esafike sayidla. That confirms ukuthi you are man enough ukuthi uhlale kanye nathi esibayeni udle inyama. Isibaya-ke ubuhlanti njengoba uzwa ngithi ubuhlanti. Wena mhla ukhuphukile wapha entabeni ebuhlanti sayityana eyakho. Xa upha entabeni sayityana eyakho uzozokwazi ukuhlala nathi ebuhlanti namanye amadoda ukubamba imela unqunqa inyama soze. So bakucwase and those are some of the secrets that ezenzeka entabeni abantwana. That is why sihleze sibona ey'ndabeni abantu belimala sebegijinyiswa ezibhedlela because abanye hhayi balimala ngoba kutheni kusuke vele kuyinto esuke ihlosiwe. Abanye kusuke kuyi-carelessness ukuthi manje these days sekunobu-carelessness izingcibi azisawazi umsebenzi wazo. Kodwa-ke okubaluleke kunakho konke umfana uthi ucela ngisixoxe lesi story ngoba ufuna ukuthi abanye abantwana abancane ababafana basakhula beza emva kwabo. Uma umuntu efila ukuthi akakufuni ukuya entabeni ayosikwa, akahlale phansi nabazali bakhe akhulume nabo. You rather go uyosika esibhedlela ngoba yena lokho kwamumoshela impilo yakhe yonke. Even now akana relationship and okumuzwisa ubuhlungu kunako konke ukuthi uyabona ukuthi ngeke aze abe na family, because how do you have a family when ungenayo into wena abanye abantu abayisebenzisa for ukwenza ifamily? So those are the things-ke ezenzakalayo. Kodwa-ke ake siyibeke la eyanamhlanje, ngicela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho wena mbukeli lapha ekhaya on the comment section down below. Ezingicelile ngiyacela ukuthi singathukani, sihloniphane, simnike i-advice ubhuti uma kuwukuthi ebona ukuthi mhlampe ukuba gay iyona into ezomsebenzela. Is it the best route to go to? Because naku phela unenkinga manje, itotolozi ayikho, intombazane iyakhala yabambelela ekhanda yabuza uba iphi, ndiyayifuna iphi, kwaba ukuphela kwe-relationship. Iphela lapho-ke indaba yethu namhlanje. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and share. Make these stories go far and wide, because ngizo-improve on these stories very, very soon. Khona into engizoyi-add-a uma kuwukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi niyazithokozela lezi story. And the only way ukuthi ngibone ukuthi uma ubuka phela ngicela ungaweqi ama-adverts, because iyona ndlela u-YouTube asikhuthaza ngayo nathi ukuthi asiphe amasentshana ukuthi sikwazi ukuthenga idatha, sibuye sophinde sizofaka futhi la esivivaneni, siqhubeke no-create content for you ezokwenza ukuthi wena ukhuthazeke, wena ukhule, wena ufunde ngempilo, wena uxabule some stereotypes that are in your head, and wazi impilo and other things that happens to other people out there. Sifunde emaphutheni wabanye abantu and grow the community of life graduates. So with this, love and peace. See you on the next story time.